Hey YouTubers, my name is James Hutchings, owner of Southwest Blinds and Shutters here in Gilbert, Arizona, and we're here in my showroom. And I wanted to take a minute and explain to you how we can cover a sliding glass door with a plantation shutter. So there's actually two main styles of sliding glass door shutters. There's a bypass shutter and a bifold shutter. So a bypass shutter is the more common version, and what that means is you have shutter panels like this. You can tilt them with the louvers. They come in painted shutters and stained shutters. And a bypass shutter, you tilt these louvers closed, you can actually slide the plantation shutter. It's on a track. There's actually wheels up at the top of the track, and you slide the panels left to right, just like that. It's kind of like a closet door. When we do a bypass shutter, we'll frame in the sides. We'll have a valance across the top. We can either do a smooth classic valance, or we can do a decorative valance like this. And that's what you'll do. You'll slide. Now this one's called a closed bypass, and this is also a bypass shutter. This is called an open bypass. And the difference when you do a closed bypass, you have to, in order to slide the panels, you have to have the louvers shut. Now that means if you're going out the door and you want to have the shutters stacked off to one side, you always have to have that side shut. So it's a little bit limiting. The one nice thing about it is it doesn't take up as much space into the room. Because the panels are close together, you don't need as much of a build out into the room. Now this one over here is an open bypass, and these ones you can have the louvers open and you can still stack the panels. So if you're in and out of the door a lot, but you still want to have brightness on this side, you still want to keep the view, an open bypass is a great option. The only downside to an open bypass is it's going to build out into the room a couple inches more, depending on the louver sizes, so you can bypass these panels. Now at Southwest Blinds and Shutters, we can do 2.5-inch louvers, 3.5, 4.5, and 5.5. And we can do any of those sizes in an open bypass or a closed bypass. Now this brown shutter here, this stained wood shutter, this is a different version. This is called a bifold shutter. So this has still got a track across the top that's hidden behind this valance, and there's wheels at the top of the shutter panels. But instead of sliding the shutters, what you're going to do is these shutters actually fold and slide. Now, if I tried to keep the louvers open and fold like this, that's not going to work. They're going to bump into each other. So you have to close the louvers. And this shutter has the hidden tilt version. Close those louvers. And then you're going to grab it like that. And you're going to slide it off to the side. Just like that. Now, that application is nice if you have views and you want to keep your views. So you can take that shutter, you can slide it. You can push it all the way off to the side. We even have a version that you can slide, and it will actually not just slide and stack, but it will also fold back to the wall. So any of these options is great for sliding glass doors. In Arizona, they're doing these humongous sliders now, and we've done sliding shutters up to like 30 feet wide. So we can cover small sliders, we can cover huge sliders, we can do them center opening, we can have them all draw to one side. It's kind of unlimited because we've got the shutters manufactured here, and we also have all the big brands like Norman Shutters and Hunter Douglas and Graber. So we've got lots of different systems available. I hope you learned something about sliding door shutters. Thanks for watching our video.